Sekuphinde kwaba nesinye futhi isigameko ekhempini yabafundi ababili abenza ugrade 8 abafunda eTrinity House eRand Park Ridge balunywe inyoka enobuthi ngenkathi belele izolo.
Kukholakala ukuthi abafundi bebelele ngenkathi kwehla lo mshophi. Labafundi baphuthunyiswa esibhedlela eBrett kanti ekuhambeni kwesikhathi babe sebethuthelwe eMilpark nalapho belashelwa khona. Wonke-ke amakhempi kulesikole asemisiwe. Abazali ababoni ngasolinye ngalesigameko.
Camp should be closed. They should have precautionary measures. It's a rafting institution. They should have life jackets. They should have been participating. The teacher could have been doing logistics in the background. There should have been people watching the children. That is how I see it. And yes, I think the lodge should take personal responsibility.
There must be some clear regulations, guidelines, and teachers must be taken through those kind of programs, so that they know what will be their roles and responsibilities during that particular when children are in camps.
Isimo salabafundi siyethembisa kanti ababili kubona bazodedelwa maduze.